Our Christmas event at the end of 2024 was a huge success, and as we packed away the decorations and took down the wonderful light display in our gardens, plans were already well underway to map out what we've got coming up in 2025. It's going to be another busy and very exciting year for the staff and volunteer teams at Wentworth Woodhouse. As always, our ambitions are as big as the house itself, and we have some very special highlights coming up. We've launched a series of new guided tours for our visitors. These are available for a limited time only, so book your tickets now. From January until March, you'll be able to enjoy an exploration of the house from the cellars to the attics in our top to bottom tour. And our after hours tour will take you on a journey through the house by candlelight, exploring the stories of the many parties and gatherings that have taken place at this iconic site. To celebrate Women's History Month in March, we have the new Women of Wentworth Woodhouse tour, running for 4 weeks only. It's the perfect chance to learn more about the women who lived and worked here. It's 2025, which means that Rotherham has just become the world's first children's capital of culture. Our work with this programme started in 2021, and we've run several training programmes for young people aged 16 to 25, teaching them filmmaking, event design and planning skills. The results have been incredibly impressive, and our trainees have gone on to find work in their chosen fields of interest, from film location work to freelance videography, teaching, marketing and digital production. We've just recruited another 3 young people to work with us during 2025 to help transform Wentworth Woodhouse into the House of Fun as part of the Children's Capital of Culture celebrations. An exciting part of this will be large-scale art installations by contemporary artist Ian Kirkpatrick. And we're also excited to announce that several of the original Van Dyck portraits that used to hang in the Van Dyck room will be returned to the house on loan. We'll know by the end of February exactly which paintings will be coming back, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel for further updates. In January, the southern section of our west front railings that have been restored were refitted. We'll bring you further update videos on the reinstallation as it continues, and track the progress of the railings at the north side as they go through their own programme of restoration and repairs. 2025 is also the year when we hope to launch a major fundraising campaign to restore the chapel at Wentworth Woodhouse and the collection of paintings that it contains. This magical space has huge potential, but is in need of urgent attention. We'll be following progress on this channel, so please keep watching. We also plan to improve the levels of accessibility to the mansion itself, particularly for people with mobility impairments. At the moment, unless our visitors can manage to get upstairs, there's no way that they can enjoy the wonderful staterooms at Wentworth Woodhouse. We're committed to making the house the most accessible stately home in the country, so watch out for a new video shortly that will outline our plans. If you've been following the press and social media coverage about upcoming events at the house, you'll know that for the first time ever, the Royal Horticultural Society Flower Show is coming to Wentworth Woodhouse in July 2025. Prepare for a wonderful day out with the whole family and enjoy iconic floral displays, talks and tips, markets, stalls, children's activities and lots of delicious food and drinks. You can book your tickets now using the link in the description below. That's just a taste of things to come. Keep watching our channel and the What's On pages of our website to keep up to date. It's going to be a bumper year of wonderful events and activities, and we can't wait to welcome you to Wentworth Woodhouse.